I started putting together a few masks to donate to my mom who works at the Mankato Clinic. They were in need of some supplies. So I started putting together masks such as this one. But as I was making them, I realized that I could make a bigger difference in the Shakopee community as well through the use of my students.
It has been a true pleasure being a small part of this amazing feat. What the West Shakopee Middle School community has done is so great and truly inspirational. I teared up multiple times as I watched the sign-up form fill up as our West parents, students, and staff were signing up to volunteer to sew. In the end, 85 volunteers said they would sew a total of 1,900 masks for the Shakopee community, which well surpassed our original goal of 1,000.
Total shock. I walked around the house when I started seeing all of these responses coming in asking for masks to be cut and ready for them to sew. I literally walked around with this big grin on my face, and my husband was saying, you're in total shock, aren't you? Like, I just couldn't believe that so many people wanted to help make a difference, and they were so willing to use their time and their skills. And for some of them, I know it's a stretch for them to learn how to use their sewing machine again, so absolutely grateful.
We ended up having to recruit 19 people who cut hour after hour just so we would have enough fabric for that many kids. Those individuals were para-educators, Emily Kleppe, and a number of her family and church members. I thank all of them along with those who will be sewing the masks.
COVID-19 definitely is a big stress for a lot of people. It takes a big toll on everybody. I would say that as a teacher, it's been incredible to receive support back from our parents and our students. Everybody's working through it together, and I think that's the strongest thing that we have going for us is through all of this COVID-19, everybody's really coming together and understanding that nothing's perfect right now. Everybody is working hard and everybody is in this together, and I think that that is an incredible place for our society to be, is in a place where we're learning how to accept each other's mistakes and accept the differences that we have and just move forward, because that's all we can do. So I think that's kind of my biggest takeaway. Is it hard? Absolutely. But I think that we're going to be better for it.